Welcome to Photoshop Art. I'm going to show you how to make 3D golden number 1. Create a new document with the following resolution. Choose a nice golden color. Press Alt-Delete. Go to 3D and make a new sphere. If you don't see 3D, go to Window 3D. Select Materials and make a new gold material. Name it gold. Go to Layers. Make a new layer and delete the sphere. Press T and make a number 1. I use Source Code Pro Black font. Press V for Move tool and reposition the number 1. Right-click on Layer and select Rasterize Type. I'm gonna edit the number 1 a bit to look better. Press R if you need rulers. After that, select Elliptical Marquee tool and holding Alt and Shift make circle. Press Alt-Delete. Control-click on the layer to select the shapes. Go to 3D and create a 3D extrusion. Use this widget to rotate 3D objects. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Go to Lights and deselect Shadow. Select the whole scene icon. Adjust the extrusion. Go to 3D. Split extrusion. Select number 1 object. Go to Coordinates and click the first Reset button. Do the same for Stand object. In the X middle field type 90 and press Enter. Select number 1 and move it up. Click on the Stand object. Click on the cap icon. In the Width field type 3. Select number 1 and repeat this step but for Width type 6 and press Enter. Go to Coordinates. Select the stand. Go to Options and move Object to Ground Plane. Go to Y field and add a minus in front of the number and press Enter. Select number 1 and move Object to Ground Plane. Select New Group and move it to Ground Plane. Use widgets to position the object. Select Front Inflation Material. Expand Materials and find our gold material we made earlier and click on it. Repeat this for all visible surfaces. Select Environment and uncheck IBL. Go to Light and adjust the light source position. Select the whole scene icon. Select Front Inflation Material and for the first 3 options type 20 and press Enter. Do this for first 3 materials of both objects. I don't like the stand. I'm gonna change the shape a bit. I must align objects like before. Grab the selection tool and make a small selection in this area. Press render icon to see a small preview of the final image. Press escape to stop rendering. Press Ctrl D to deselect. If you're happy with result, click render again and wait for Photoshop to render the image. This can take a while. After it's done, don't touch the object or you will have to render again. Make a new background layer. Add a color. Right-click on 3D layer and select Rasterize 3D. You can now save the document. This is Photoshop Art. Thank you for watching this video.